the biggest benefit we've had towards working with Extreme is the direct interaction with the entire management team. They are engaged, they are here, they are focused. Now, yes, we are a large facility, but they are extremely focused on how well we engage, how well we deliver the experience to our guests, and how we optimize their solution. This is a partnership. The biggest component for us from an analytical perspective is monitoring what's happening during the 3 or 4 hour window when we have a full bowl experience, and being able to monitor 1,500 WAPs in real time, seeing throughput, seeing what's happening where, allows us to be able to respond effectively to things happening during that short window. The analytics engines that we have with the Extreme Solutions gives us that information so that we can move immediately to where an issue may be occurring. Usually a bowl is a very fixed environment, and game to game, Wi-Fi experience, guest experience is usually very stable. Over the past year at the stadium, we've been going through a variety of construction projects, and with that, our data flow or our guest flow has changed dramatically week to week. Through the use of analytics, we can see from heat maps, we can see if guests are actually shifting, and then if we need to shift staff accordingly, we can deal with that real time. With the deployment of Wi-Fi 6, our throughput has increased, our performance has increased. We're able to extend further out with our offerings, primarily because we've extended the reach of Wi-Fi. We've extended where we want to connect to, where we want guests to be able to connect to. So we've gone beyond the traditional bowl and expanded into our concourses, expanded into our walkways, into the perimeters around the stadium, so that guests can get onto the Wi-Fi system quicker, faster, and for longer. A couple of recent changes that we've made at Gillette Stadium include auto beer pouring, include autonomous purchasing at concession stands, mobile ordering with other partners in which we can turn around and you can order from your seat and go pick up at concession stands. So we're looking at all different ways to enhance that experience, to get you back into your seats, to enjoy the game so that you're not waiting in line.